The Bellows allows you to easily pivot your backpack blower's air tube. The flexible plastic tube is attached between the elbow and the swivel tube. Over time, the tube can crack or have a hole rubbed through it, causing air to leak. Replacing the Bellows is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by loosening the clamp and removing the pivot tube from the Bellows. Next, I'll remove the clamp. Now I'll loosen the clamp that secures the Bellows to the elbow. And I'll remove the Bellows. I'll remove the clamp and the wire throttle cable hanger. Now I can install the new Bellows. First, I'll slide the cable hanger around the Bellows and then reinstall the clamp. I'll install the Bellows onto the elbow and tighten up the clamp. Next, I'll reinstall the smaller clamp onto the Bellows. Now I'll reinstall the pivot tube. And I'll secure the pivot tube with the clamp. And that's all it takes to replace the Bellows on your blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.